It's Christmas in New York. A time for giving. A time for peace. But beneath the streets...
Come on, Grandma!
Stay for two transit cops.
So we got cops on the tracks down there.
Nothing stops the money train.
It's no holiday.
I say you guys are the best.
We are the best.
They're not just partners. They're family.
This is your brother?
I see the resemblance.
They made their reputation by being on the edge.
You're a bad gambler, Sonny Jim. You're in debt up to your eyeballs.
You brought the money, right?
Yeah, $300.
Hey, Mother owes Mr. Brown $15,000.
15,000? Drop him.
You're a wreck looking for someplace to happen.
One of them
I'll be there.
is about to step over the line.
3-4 million at least.
You know what we could do with that kind of money?
We're not gonna rob the money train.
Why not?
Because we're cops.
You mess with my train, and I'll kill you.
Charlie is going down, and you are the only family that he's got.
What the hell are we gonna do? We can't stop this thing even if we wanted to. Go faster!
Get on or get out of the way. Money Train.
You know, this job can be hazardous to your health.